Hello, everyone. So, how does Wix make money? So, as you might already know, Wix is a free website builder. However, it can make professional websites, and most or plenty of businesses use Wix as one of their edges for their campaign. Okay, so it's a simple website builder that aids in the creation of expert websites for businesses. Numerous features are available, such as drag and drop user interface, editable templates, and e commerce connection. Yes. Okay, so let's take a look at their website. So let's launch our Google Chrome app and just type in www.wix.com and it will bring you to this page. Okay, so if you don't have an account here, so you will be asked to make one using your um, Google account or Gmail or your Facebook account. Okay, so Wix is totally free, yet it makes money via advertising and paid packages. Okay, so paid packages can make you experience this website builder even better. And you can create more amazing websites. Okay, so Wix is a well known website builder because they offer free services. So this implies that anyone may use Wix to build a website without needing to pay for a domain name or hosting services. Okay, so while Wix is free to use, it still needs money to keep the light on. It does this through advertising and premium packages. Okay, so that's how Wix.com make money. So if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you very much.